Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about the how can we enable vibrate for call setting. Means guys you want to enable guys your vibrate for call setting. So friends your phone will vibrate while ringing setting. So how can you on means enable this setting in your Samsung mobile? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. Then guys scroll. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see your vibrate while ringing settings. So when you want to enable guys your vibrate while ringing setting in your Samsung mobile, so when you can enable and after enable guys you can use it. So once you can see guys we will on guys vibrate while ringing setting means we will enable from this right side. So your phone will vibrate while ringing. So like that guys you can enable your vibrate while ringing setting in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.